Y'all, so I'm here doing the rear brakes on this 2016 Chevy Tahoe, and I got in it to move it, and the first thing I noticed, bad driver's side motor mount. And how I knew that, put it in drive, hit the gas, felt this thunk, thunk. That told me right there that there's a bad motor mount. But I'm going to show y'all in this video how to diagnose a bad motor mount. So stand by. Now, when you see your engine jumping up and down like it's going to want to jump out of the engine bay, now you know that you have a bad engine mount. Alright, follow for more tips. Later.